Welcome to know how to. Today we're going to learn how to create a critical problem in your WordPress website. Please don't try this on a live website. So we're going to log in to our WordPress website. This is my WordPress website. I'm using a local WP. Okay. Now, when you log in, we're going to use the safest and most realistic method. So I have two methods I'm going to try. So the first one, I'm going to go to my left, plugin, plugins, add plugin. Now, the name of the plugin I'm going to use in this video is called snippets, snippets. Good. This is what I'm going to use in this video. So this is, you can see install now. I'm going to install this. So while it's installing, the reason why we're using code is because code snippet is because instead of breaking your files, your team files, we introduce a PHP error through snippet. If something goes wrong, it's much easier to recover than editing core team files. Now, installation is done. I'm going to activate it. Very good. Now we've activated. Now you look to my left, snippets. I'm going to add new. Now let's create our test. Okay, enter a snippet type. Okay, let's use test critical error. Good. Now make sure it's a PHP code type. Now we're going to paste the code. I'm going to leave the code in the description below. So I'm going to copy this. And paste. Good. Now, if you look at this code, something is wrong. Okay? Echo, something is wrong. Hello world. Yes. Is missing a semicolon. Okay? That tiny mistake causes a PHP preface error, which is one of the most common reasons WordPress throws a critical error. So in this case, but we have to save and activate it. Hopefully it works. Save and activate. Now the snippet created and activated. So let's see if it will work. Nah, it didn't work. Okay. Plan B. Okay, let's go. Plan B. Let's go to side folder. Let's try functions.php. Let's see. Remember, I'm using a local WP, so this is my side folder. Now go to app, public, WP contents, teams. So we have 3 items there, but the one we are going for, we have 2025, 2024, 2023. So let's go back to the website and look for the one that is active. Appearance teams. Now the active team here is 2025. Yes, 2025. So go back again. 2025. This is open its folder, look for functions.php. Is it functions.php? I'm going to open this. You can use any editor to open it. Any editor, it's fine, it's still going to work. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, yes. And if scroll down to the last part, now I'm going to copy this code. Now I will leave this code in the description below. I'm copying this is the second one. I'm going to copy this. Okay, now enter. I'm going to paste. See, save. Now I want to be sure this is saved. Okay. Now I'm going to open it back to be sure. Okay, good. Saved. This is it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the website. Good. Now I'm going to reload this. Now look, before I reload, you can see the only thing you see here is 2025. So let's reload. Now what are you seeing again? Noah how to. Okay. Noah how to go. That's the one we're seeing now. Good. Good. So now the next thing is Noah how to. Let me move this so you see it. Noah how to. Please subscribe and share. You can see it now. Noah how to. Please subscribe and share. You can see. Good. That shows the file is working and we are in the right place. So now let's create the error. I'm going to go back to functions.php. Okay. This is it. Know how to please subscribe and share. This is it. Know how to please subscribe and share. Now I'm just going to delete. Let's delete this semicolon. This is a semicolon. This done. Save. I'm going to save it to be sure. Now note, before you try this, make sure you have a backup of this file. Okay. Make sure there's a backup for this file before you try it, so that you can revert back if possible. So I've removed the semicolon. Okay, good. Now I'm going to reload the website and let's see if we can create the error. Reload the website. Note, this is it. I'm going to reload, and that's it. There has been a critical error on this website. So this is how you create a critical error on the website. Kindly note, this is for educational purposes. Please don't try this on a live website. Okay, so I want you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment the next error you want me to create for your website. And the next video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the critical error on your website. See you in the next video.